Hello, I'm Joe Stewart, science teacher at Redwood High School. I would like to share with you two project-based learning activities I worked on with my students. Both projects focus on significant content related to sustainability and food cultivation on our new school farm. The fall project focused on identifying and implementing sustainable methods. The spring project focused on experimentation. How viable are specific sustainable agriculture methods? Students were supported by their own research, experts, and workshops around the driving question: how can we produce sufficient food while supporting sustainable, ecological principles? Students had voice and choice throughout their project selection, research, design, and implementation. Students asked questions of teachers and experts throughout the process to develop unique projects: owl houses, permaculture guilds in design, beneficial insect attracting plantings, protection from insects and weather, scarecrows, worm bins, and a variety of experiments. Throughout the process, students received feedback from each other, experts, and their teacher, and were given opportunities to revise their ideas and their online shared documents. Both projects included publicly presented products at multiple points in the process. Here are some presentations introducing the experimental projects. Yep.
Oh wow.
We are testing 4 different types of compost. So this one has no compost. This is compost that we made ourselves. Like things that we brought from home. And then there's also Mr. Stewart's compost that he bought, and then also the stuff that's been people made in the garden for a long time. And we're planting onions, leeks, kale, and spinach in these beds. And we put them all in the same space, and so we're just going to see how they all grow in the different compost. And we're going to change the compost every couple weeks and add more to it, and also water regularly.
Amendments on the health of plants on 3 different types of plants: lettuce, onion, and broccoli. So we're taking up these 2 beds right here. So in this one, we're testing legumes, or specifically fava beans, and lettuce are right there, onions are right there, and broccoli right there. And then in this half, this is the control, and we have nothing, no amendments, and then, again it's lettuce, onion, and broccoli. And then here we have blood meal, which is like nitrogen fertilizer, organic nitrogen fertilizer, and again lettuce, onion, and broccoli.
Alright, so for our project we did hugelkultur, which is, wood and then mounds of straw and manure and things like that. And this bed is pine, and that bed is plum from the garden, and that bed is a control bed with no wood. We planted sugar snap peas as starters, and something ripped out the sugar snap peas into those beds, but yeah.
Yeah, we have 6 plants in each bed, so we're gonna measure which plants grow the best for which hugelkultur bed.
Thanks for listening.